Hey everybody, it is Kate from Crate Insider, and I got a fun products to talk to you about today. Of course, we're January, so we're still in build season. So thought I'd highlight a few of our favorites and a couple of new things. If you have a brand new engine and you're looking to break it in, I'm really excited to announce that we have the Daytona 1 break-in oil. And not only that, but we actually sell this in a kit. So you can get 7 quarts of oil and an oil filter and be able to just have exactly what you need for a 602 or a 604 crate engine. And then not only that can it be used for break-in, but you can actually race on this as well. So you could race on it for a few races before you have to change. And it has extra zinc in it. It's got a heck of an additive package to really break in your engine right. Now we have a brand new product we've just added to the website, and that is the new Longacre load sticks. So I definitely encourage you to check out that video. I had a chance to talk with Ben Baker. He is so smart when it comes to all of those, all of that technical stuff. And so check it out. We've got the short ones in the store as well as the long ones, or at least on our website. And you'll use the short style on the front part of your car, and the longer ones on the back. But anyway, check out that video. We'll make sure we've got it linked somewhere so you can see that. And, hey, if you're looking for load sticks, this has been revolutionary and award-winning. That product won some awards back here at PRI. So I have another brand new product to introduce to you guys, and I actually have a video. I was able to talk with Chad Weirs from Weirs Machine, and this is a brake pad sander. One thing I've learned at Race Logic, going on to all of those classes, is if you find that with any of your brake pads that they can get wear, instead of being like parallel, that they'll end up, I guess, getting worn out just a little bit more on one side. So one of the tricks there is to remove your brake pads, and if you were doing this without this new tool, maybe scraping them on concrete so that you can get more of a flat surface again. Well, Chad has made this a lot easier with this brake pad sander, and definitely check out the video. These are ones that are meant for, I believe, the GM metric brake pads. So check out that video. And if you're looking for those, obviously we have them here in the store, and it'll make your job a lot easier because now you've got handles and you don't have to worry about scraping your knuckles on the concrete, because nobody would love having the end of the day of that. A question we get asked all the time is, what spark plugs should we use in our cars? And so we do have a couple of different options, and one of the favorites is the Autolites. These are the AR94s, and what's nice about these is you don't have to gap them. They come pre-gapped, and they will work whether you're using regular gas or E85, alcohol. We've found that these work well for 602, 604, and with any of your fuel types, and they get excellent performance. So of course we sell them in sets of 8 because that's what you need. So rather than selling individual spark plugs, we do sell them in sets of 8. And that is one of those things too, going into the new season, changing out your spark plugs is a simple and inexpensive thing to do before this season kicks off. We all know that when we have electrical issues in a race car, it can be one of the most challenging things, especially to try to chase it down. But to get ahead of it, one of the things that you can do is, just as far as a maintenance item, is replacing your spark plug wires. Now, we have a couple of different favorites, and one of them is right here in front of me. This is the Moroso Ultra 40 wire set. This works great for a 602 or a 604, and it does come with a coil wire. So whether, even if you're not using a coil wire, you're using just regular HEI ignition, you just have an extra piece then, I suppose, like extra parts left over. But we found great performance with these Ultra 40 wires. And so, again, it's a great idea to go ahead and replace them here in build season before this season kicks off. One thing I really love in our shop is our Kaiser wheels. And if you are also a Kaiser wheels fan, then you start stacking them up, you might find that some of your beadlock rings, whether it's time to replace them, or now with this new forged style, if you have the older like stamped or spun style, if you wanted to switch those out, now's a good time to do that. It's also a good time to inspect any of them that you have, anything that's bent or needs to be replaced. We actually do sell the beadlock rings as a separate item. Something that's cool about them is they've got this knurling on the back, so it really grabs onto those tires, so you don't find that slippage that you might find with other beadlock rings. So these are our Kaiser forged beadlock rings, and they do have the tabs on them as well, so they're already set up for wheel covers. That's a great thing to pick up in our store and a great way to kick off the season. So there we have it. There's a few ideas, whether you're looking for some new products to try out, or you're really trying to ramp up here in build season before this season truly kicks off. I do know that there's racing happening in Florida right now. We've been overnighting some items down there for our customers. But in the meantime, if you're still waiting to get everything set up before you get out there and race, I hope you find these suggestions really helpful. If you have any ideas on things that you would like to see on our channel, any type of products you'd like to see us carry, feel free to drop those into the comments. And while you're here, hit that hit like button, hit subscribe, follow us on Facebook, and I'll look forward to seeing you in another video.